Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll explore a practical and fascinating JavaScript problem. How to change the case of a string efficiently so that it's written entirely in uppercase or lowercase by making the fewest changes. We'll break it down step by step with examples and code explanations. Let's dive in. Our goal is simple. Convert the string to a single case, uppercase or lowercase, while changing as few characters as possible. For example, the string right has more lowercase letters, so we convert it to lowercase, right. Similarly, PHP has more uppercase letters, so it becomes PHP. Here's the JavaScript code for solving the problem. We first count the uppercase and lowercase letters using a loop. Then we use regular expressions to identify letter cases. Finally, we compare the counts and decide whether to convert the string to a lowercase or uppercase. This approach ensures the fewest changes, making it efficient and reliable. Let's break down the logic. We start by counting uppercase and lowercase letters. Based on which count is higher, we convert the string. This ensures the fewest characters modifications while maintaining simplicity. In this example, the string right has 1 uppercase and 4 lowercase letters. Since lowercase letters are more frequent, we convert the string to right. The solution minimizes the number of changes, altering just 1 character instead of 4. Here, the string PHP contains 2 uppercase letters and 1 lowercase letter. Since the uppercase letters dominate, the optimal solution is to convert it to PHP. This ensures we only change 1 letter, keeping the number of modifications to a minimum. The ES6 version of the code is more concise, thanks to the array functions and shorthand conditionals. We use the same logic as before. Count the uppercase and lowercase characters, then decide whether to convert the string to lowercase or uppercase based on the counts. This approach works because it balances efficiency and simplicity. It quickly processes strings of any length with linear complexity. It's also robust enough to handle edge cases like strings that are already fully lowercase or uppercase. Edge cases are important to test for any algorithm. For example, string is already in one case will not require any changes, and single character strings retain their case. Mixed case strings will be converted based on the counts, ensuring the solution is universal. To summarize, we've created a simple and efficient algorithm to adjust string cases with the minimum changes. This concept highlights how small optimizations can lead to more elegant solutions in coding. I encourage you to try it with your own examples. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.